Oh, hi, I was just practicing the guitar here. Practicing the guitar while I was thinking about the ear. So, the ear, one of the things you guys have to do is follow the path of the sound. So I thought I'd show you a little bit about how the sound goes. Okay, so sound waves, I'm just going to type in waves, are funneled into the ear by some of the parts, right? The outer ear, which, so outer, oops, the outer ear, and ear canal. So you can see that right here on the picture. That's the ear part. That's the only part of the ear that we actually see. So then the sound waves go in, and then they start hitting stuff. So the sound actually hits the eardrum. And the word of the day is vibrate. If I could type. So the sound vibrates the eardrum. So it's like, kind of like one of these strings vibrates. Well, that vibration actually makes its way through the outer ear, through the ear canal, and then vibrates the eardrum. Then, cool thing happens. It hits these things called the ossicles. Ossicles are bones. They're actually bones inside your ear. They're little tiny things. And the ossicles, wait, they vibrate. Actually, no, wait. It's actually more of a movement. The ossicle movement creates waves in the part. It's right here. So it's like doo-doo-doo-doom, and then this thing is called the cochlea, and it has some liquid in it, and also some nerve cells. So it actually creates waves in the cochlear fluid. I hope I spelled that right. Okay, so those waves are actually moving through the liquid, and then they hit, this is the crazy part, they hit hair cells. Hair cells in the cochlea move with the waves. They're like waving in that fluid, and they send electrical signals to the brain, which the brain then interprets as sound. So when we hear, something, just a real jammer like this, that sound is traveling. It's going on a path. And that path goes through your ear, hits some bones, shakes them, which causes some waves and a fluid in a thing called the cochlea. And that fluid actually causes some cells to move, which then transfers the signal into your brain. It's wild stuff. All right, hope that helps.